Here's the motivational story for your spoken English class. Title of the story: From Shy to Confident, the story of Rohan. Let's begin. Rohan, a shy and introverted student, struggled to speak English in class. He feared embarrassment and judgment from his peers. Despite his desire to improve, Rohan hesitated to participate in conversations. One day, Rohan's teacher assigned a presentation project. Rohan panicked, but his teacher encouraged him to take the challenge. With determination, Rohan practiced speaking every day. Rohan recorded himself speaking, watched English videos and TED Talks, spoke with native speakers online. Lessons: 1. Face your fears to overcome them. 2. Practice consistently to improve. 3. Believe in yourself and your abilities. Here are two inspirational quotes. 1. Believe you can and you are halfway there. Theodore Roosevelt. 2. The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling but in rising every time we fall. Nelson Mandela. Thanks for watching my full video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos.